Many patients are unaware that only a small fraction of aging has to do with genetics. The majority of the problem of aging has to do with things that in fact you can control, which is your environment, the stresses in your life, the lifestyle that you lead, the foods that you eat, the supplements that you take or don't take. All of these issues, in fact, can be controlled, and that will very much affect the speed with which you age. Our job as anti-aging specialists, especially those of us that are holistically minded, that are integrative in our approach, is to try to help the patient to identify those issues that are in fact extrinsic, outside of the genetic makeup, that are affecting your aging speed, and to help you to identify and modulate those factors so that we can in fact help you to prevent the aging process, to, if you will, slow up the clock somewhat, and also to help you biologically to reverse that clock so that we can make you feel your very best. Patients will come to us sometimes and say that they have, in the female patient, they'll say they have mood swings, they have chronic fatigue, they have sleep disturbances, they have hot flashes, they have irritable bowel problems and gastrointestinal problems. So it's a multitude of issues that women present with that we know can fall into the umbrella of anti-aging disciplines and evaluations. In men, same identical thing. We have chronic fatigue, we have patients that have loss of vigor, loss of libido, loss of interest, loss of drive. Not just sexual drive, but just drive in terms of ambition, goal setting. They seem to be clouded, if you will. They have a mentation problem. They're not thinking clearly. They're not making decisions that are well thought out. So all these issues can be in fact very much affected by hormone deficiencies. And so we get involved with that when it comes to anti-aging. So we have men and women coming to us for a multitude of symptoms that may very well have to do with hormonal and nutritional deficiencies, which fall under the umbrella of anti-aging. So when a patient comes to see us for hormonal deficiencies or food allergy problems or internal functional issues, we at the same time can repair, as well-qualified cosmetic surgeons, the external appearance issues that have been caused by, in many cases, that functional deficiency internally. We can in fact repair what has been caused by those deficiencies from the inside out. We can do liposuction, we can do abdominoplasty, and we can enhance the image of that patient by externally performing cosmetic procedures as well. It's important to make sure that you seek a professional who is board certified by the American Board of Anti-Aging and Regenerative Medicine. Not all practitioners that are guiding patients on hormonal deficiencies or nutritional deficiencies are board certified by that board. We recommend that you look carefully and be certain that your specialist is board certified.
Coming to get to know Dr. Rubinstein has been a real education for me as a woman and as a teacher, and has been an extraordinary experience for me as his patient too. There have been numerous holistic ways that he has been able to treat me and to take care of me so that I really am looking and feeling and being my very best, my most energetic best. So Dr. Rubinstein has switched me over from the traditional pharmaceutical brands of hormones over to bioidentical, which are natural hormones that exactly identify and replicate or replace the hormones that we need in our bodies as we get older. And now that I am taking that kind of hormone therapy, the difference in the way I feel, the difference in the way my body is working as nutrition and fitness all kind of come together with those hormones is really an amazing thing. It's just been a great experience for me. I'm a strong believer in body, mind, and spirit, and having all of those things come together to work collectively in order to be the very best that you can be at any age. And certainly doing that in a holistic manner is definitely the way to go. I can't tell you what a difference working with Dr. Rubinstein in the various holistic areas of allergy, treatments, for example, and of bioidentical hormones has just been a tremendous benefit to me in looking and feeling and being my very best.